Welcome to One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos. And today it's Christmas virtually, isn't it? I'm actually filming this on Christmas Eve. I'd not planned to do this video, however, I went to the shop and they had a £27 in cost turkey crown, Norfolk turkey crown, reduced by 75%. I get to the till and it's £5, and I'm like, that's a video if ever I've seen one. So thanks very much to Aldi. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring you in a bit closer. I'm going to show you the ingredients and what I'm going to do, and we're going to be using the NINJA Grill XL today, and we are going to be using the Smart Pro with it as well. So we're going to get this turkey, absolutely beautiful. I can't wait. So let me move you in, we'll talk through the ingredients and we'll crack on from there. Don't forget though, if you are getting value from my content, make sure you are giving me a thumbs up and give me a comment below and say hi, and of course make sure you are subscribing to the channel so you don't miss future content. In front of us we have a 2 kilo turkey crown. It's the bone-in crown with the meat on the top. We have 500 grams of sausage meat with spices and sage and onion mixed in with it. We have some salt and pepper, and we have some chopped veg. So this is red onion, carrot, a little bit of parsnip and some sprouts because it is Christmas, so a token sprout there for my dad and my gran. And then we have some chicken stock just at the back. We've got 500ml of chicken stock, and of course we've got the NINJA Grill XL. Now if you've had a turkey crown before, you know how dry these can be because there's no fat from the leg meat. There's minimal sort of fat on the top. It is quite a lean meat. So what we're going to do, we are going to stuff underneath the skin with this nice sausage meat to create some fat and some moisture. We're also going to cook it with a bit of this veg stock in the bottom as well. So I'm now going to get the base pot out of the NINJA, and there it is. You'll see a little bit scratched up now. I've had this about 14 months and it has had some hammer. So what I'm going to do is our veg I'm going to place in the bottom. I'm just going to mix this up. Now this is just going to create a little trivet, which is a gap between the base and the actual turkey, and also it will then create a really nice gravy if you wanted to afterwards, with the stock out of it. Next I'm going to go on with the actual turkey itself, and what I'm going to do with my hand, I'm going to press down just to open that crown up slightly to flatten it up, and also it's going to make sure it's flat enough to fit in the grill because it will be a tight fit. Next I'm going to stuff the sausage meat under the skin, so all I'm going to do is just work my finger under each side just to create 2 pockets basically. I'm going to come round slightly so I can get half of this meat in one side and half in the other. Now of course you don't have to use sausage meat, you could use garlic butter, anything like that would create a really nice finish. And then I'm going to pull that skin back nice and tight back down to the bird, and all that meat you can then work it along like so, and then I'm going to do the other side as well. Now if you had a smaller bird you could use the Ninja dual zone air fryer if you had one of those. Check out my video in the link on how to do 2 chickens at once in the dual zone air fryer. So time to wash my hands, and then we're going to get it cooking. Then some salt and pepper, good amount of seasoning, and then going to get the probe and take it off. And we want the thickest part, so for me that's this side, and it's right in to that thickest part of the breast, and then that we will have plugged into the probe. I'm going to just spin this round, because the probe will actually come out this side on the grill, and it just makes it easier for plugging it in. Right, then before I go and wash my hands again, I'm just going to go in just to the base line of the pot, so you can just see the baseline, and that's taken just under 400 ml of stock to get to that point, and then we can get it in. Now what we're going to do, we're going to open the Ninja up, and we're going to get this in. I'm going to close it down, just making sure that the probe wire comes out, and I'm going to plug the probe in the side. So we're going to turn it on, and I'm going to press roast, and I'm going to press manual. Target temperature is going to be 75 degrees, and I'm going to drop the temperature down to 150, so 150 degrees C, purely because on the packaging this says to roast at 150 degrees, an hour per kilo, so this is a 2 kilo bird, so 2 hours, so it's going to be interesting to see if this does cook it quicker than a standard oven, even at the same temperature. So I've got it at 150, I've manually set the target temperature to 75. I'm not going to do any preheating, and we're just going to press start stop. So preheat, add food, and off we go. So we're starting off at 8 degrees, because it's been sat out of the fridge about half an hour, so it's come up slightly from 5, which is still fine, and we're going to see how long this takes. So I'm going to time it. We're going to check this in about 45 minutes to an hour to see where we're at. Right, so we're just over 60 minutes in now, and we'll open it up and have a look. And wow, look at that, it's looking really nice already. We are at 36 degrees internal temperature, and our target is still 35. It is really cold out here. What I'm going to do now, you could cover this with some foil if you wanted. It's got a really nice noise to this, so crispy sort of skin already. You can feel that stuffing has hardened slightly, and the bird is cooking nicely. So I'm just going to leave this for now, and we're going to see how we get on without adding any foil, so you guys can see how it turns out. Now, because of how cold it is outside, I am tempted to put the temperature up slightly, but I'm not going to touch it. We're just going to see how it goes and see how long it takes. So we are very nearly at our target temperature of 75, just gone up to 74, so any second now. There we go, and it says get food, so that is exactly what we shall do. So I'm going to just press the power button to switch it off, and let's have a look. Looking very nice. Let's get a fork and have a Nice crisp skin. The vegetables and the stock and everything have all mingled together, so that's going to make really nice gravy as well. And the sausage meat hopefully will have protected the bird underneath. So what I'm going to do is pull out the probe, and then I'm going to scoop this out onto the plate. And there we have the Ninja Grill cooked turkey. So I'm going to put it down and we're going to get a slice out of it and have a look what it's like inside. So we've not covered this at all throughout the cooking process. We could have covered it with a bit of tinfoil, but I just wanted to see how it would cook as it is, because it is quite a large piece of bird to cook in the grill. Now the packet said an hour for every kilo, so 2 hours, because there's 2 kilo bird. This took 1 hour 50 minutes, so not far off. So let's have a look. So first of all, I've got all that stuffing on top, which is really nice, and then we're into the bird itself underneath. And so let's pull some of this up, and wow, you can see how moist that is still. That's beautiful. And of course the beauty is you've got the stuffing to go with the turkey. So let's pan out and let's try some. You've got to say, when I cut that, how moist that was. It's really, really good. And the stuffing with that little layer of the crispy skin. Wow. Let's try it together. Wow. What a little machine. Over the Christmas period, I'm going to be doing some more videos. I'm going to be cranking up the pizza oven as well. I'm going to be cooking whole meals in the pizza oven as well. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see me cooking this, or any of the Ninja products you see on my channel. I hope you all have a fantastic Christmas. I hope that whatever you cook in your Ninja, you add it to my Facebook page at Ninja Foodie World. Head over and make sure you say hello. Put some pictures on what you've cooked over the festive period, and I'll be sure to catch you in January, where I'll be adding to last year's Healthy January section, and each week I'll be posting a healthy dish that you can cook at home, either in the Ninja or in a pizza oven. So until next time, I have a little friend who wants to say hello, Coco. We are in my back garden, so don't panic. So until next time, and maybe even next year, I'll see you all again very soon. Thanks for watching, everyone.
One pizza too many.